Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 1, meeting your peers via video, 60 points. All right, let's survey this assignment and see what we have here. We have 2 links below, how to upload a cell phone video to Canvas and how to upload a video to Canvas using your PC, Mac, camera, and Canvas. All right, below this we have 3 links, the overview, the due dates for this assignment, and the assignment purpose. This assignment has a part 1, and it has a part 2, and as we can see in this assignment, we have links to words here that you may want to click on if you're unfamiliar with these words. Okay, I am not going to read part 1 and part 2 with you. I am, however, going to click on the due dates so you will be familiar with these due dates. Post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think that you cannot meet these due dates, come over here to inbox, email me, have a conversation with me. Let me know what is preventing you from submitting on time, and I'll do my best to work with you. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. So I'm back into this assignment. And please don't forget to read the overview and the assignment purpose, and of course, all the directions in part 1 and the directions in part 2. All right, I'm going to scroll back up the screen to the top. So we're in discussion 1. And I'm going to let you know that I'm here in inbox. I care about your learning. If anything is not clear to you in an assignment, email me right away. You're never emailing me too many times. You're never bothering me. I like to hear from you. Okay, let's have fun with this discussion 1, meeting your peers via video assignment.